rock at the bird. Oh, stupid bird.
Oh, I missed it. Okay,
Freaking it. It's okay, that means the bird's still alive. It's gonna go over there to another rock. Look over at the rocks. There's a lot of rocks. A lot of rocks. Hey, let's go to this rock beach. Come on, Riley.
Okay.
You filming still?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're still filming. Whoa, what is that thing? Gross.
Go touch it.
Okay. Just
Oh, look, this sock.
filming.
Don't lose your sock, though. Like that guy did.
Oh, it stinks. Oh, it's not. Oh, it looks like a bone or something.
It's an animal.
Oh, it smells.
What is it?
I don't know, but fill me on this. This is a real beach. Forget sand. Wonderful name.
That does stink. I'm gonna go down. Oh, I can't. I'll go this way.
Not worth it, smell. Too bad you guys can't smell it.
And I'm getting kinda wet. Hey, shut your mouth.
That place is cool.
Still filming?
Yeah. I was singing too. I don't know if they'll like that.
They
How's
have
my
a
hair
really,
look?
really skinny room in there.
How's my hair look?
It looks beautiful.
Beautiful?
So beautiful. Okay. I zoomed in on your hair.